Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar has said that the Karnataka State Cricket Association has agreed to provide 2 tickets per MLA for the IPL match in Bengaluru on March 28th. The decision follows objections from legislators who were earlier asked to purchase tickets online. Assembly Speaker U.T. Khader had urged the government to ensure 4 VIP tickets per MLA, but Shivakumar indicated that most tickets had already been sold, limiting availability. He stated that the request was revised to 2 tickets per MLA so they could bring family members, and added that discussions were held with both KSCA and the franchise. Officials also confirmed that legislators would be given access to a designated stand at the Chinnaswamy Stadium. Senior government officials were involved in the negotiations. The issue was first raised by a Congress MLA who argued that elected representatives should not be made to stand in queues or be seated in general stands. The match will see Royal Challengers Bengaluru face Sunrisers Hyderabad in the IPL 2026 opener.
The MLAs are right because they are part of the system, they are part of the government, and we have to earlier also some respect has been given to all of them. But now with lot of difficulty, with all the pressures only, we are permitted them. Though I may be a member, that is different question as well. But now I speak to the chairman, president and those people. I want to see that our MLAs will be accommodated. I think today I am on the job.
But Mr. Tejasvi Surya and others are saying, sir, this is unwanted.
I don't let Mr. Tejasvi Surya give their gyan to their party members.